Okay guys, I finally finished. Just want to show you the finished product, and then I'm gonna put some action figures with some Tamashi fire, so add some more element to it. So this is the Days of Future Past diorama. I did the poster right there. Did a lot of detail. Also put some wire here and here. It's kind of hard to see. Even here there's wire and you can see it. A lot of this debris stuff. A lot of texture stuff, so I think it came out pretty nice. So I'll put just a few figures on it. You know. So when I read the first X-Men comics, this is what I saw. I saw the X-Men from Days of Future Past with Nimrod, and that's what I remember when I was a kid. So I just got this guy right today. He's really cool. He's a really awesome figure. So that's what I wanted to make, something of what I remember the X-Men. So cable right there. And this graffiti was in the comic books from the John Romita comic books in X-Men, Uncanny X-Men from the late 80s. And it was quite reading. It was quite fun. It wasn't fun. It was really interesting reading the comic books because they were just really good stories, you know. So there was the Phoenix. There was Rachel Summers as a Dark Phoenix, and all the X-Men that were punk rock style, and that's why I did this deal. Although there were other different versions, and what I did is I let you guys vote, and the ones that you guys voted for was this one, so this is the one I did. So I did this with Photoshop, and I actually took this out from the cover of the Days of Future Past, and then I cut out Wolverine and Kitty Pryde because they were in the front right here. I cut it out, and then I copy and pasted and filled in the blanks and Photoshopped it and try to make it look as good as possible. So yeah. Also, the diorama is magnetized, so it comes apart. There's two magnets here. There's four magnets here. There's two here and two over there underneath the wall. So it comes apart for easy storage, for really easy storage. That's what I'm trying to say. I think it looks really cool. I don't know if you can see how the video doesn't do it justice, I think, because when you look at it in person, it looks much nicer because there's a lot of texture. There's a lot of texture to the deal, like you can see right there, with all the techniques that I used to give it a rock feel to it. So it's a lot of work. You know, it's a lot of work, all those cracks, all that had to be put in by hand. Everything's done by hand. Even the rust effect was kind of hard to do. It was my first time doing rust effects, but it came out really nice. Really, really nice. It came out perfect, actually. As you can see, the rust effect came out really, really nice. It's called chipping effect, and you can look that up on YouTube under modelers. This I used airbrush, and I painted this, but I had to stencil this and then paint over it, so it was kind of hard to do a stencil at this size, and that was pretty difficult. And yeah, and a bunch of other stuff I did that I'm too tired to go over with, but as you can see, all the details there. And maybe Marvel Legends will give us a Nimrod, since they're giving us a Kingpin, and that's a really large, awesome looking figure. It's gonna be, I think that they might actually give us a Nimrod one day. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed with that, because I really want one of those. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of hard work making this, and I'll put some more pictures on my Facebook account under Kairos1, if you guys don't know. And yeah, this is a great figure. I just got this today. I'm pretty stoked about it. Like, it's really nice. I love the weapon, and the figure looks just great. It just goes great with this diorama. That's why when I saw it, I said I have to get it, because it just goes great with my diorama. So, and these Tamashii Nation spires are great too. So. Okay, and maybe I should show how it comes apart as well. So you guys can see. Try this one-handed. There you go. See? Oops. So it comes apart. It's magnetized right there and right there. So it's 4 magnets. So there's the first one, and there's the second one right here. So for easy storage, it's really lightweight. It's black underneath. It's also black in the back here. And yeah, as you can see, you just put it right there. That's how it goes. If you want to store it, like that. And if you want to just pull it together, you just put it together, and that's it. It's kind of big. It's probably a foot, let's say a foot and a half long, and a foot high, a foot and a little more high. So, but I'll put the exact measurements so you guys will know if you want. And alright guys, keep collecting.